Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1, procuring additional Boeing P-81. The Indian Navy finds itself at the center of geopolitical and strategic imperatives as pressures mount to finalize the purchase of 6 additional Boeing P-81 maritime surveillance aircraft. These aircraft, which were once cleared for procurement but did not move forward for undisclosed reasons, are now under serious reconsideration amidst a push from the US to increase defense cooperation. India currently operates a fleet of 12 P-81 aircraft split between the eastern and western sectors, dedicated to surveillance and reconnaissance in the Indian Ocean region. The P-81, based on the Boeing 737-800 airframe, is equipped with advanced sensors for anti-submarine warfare, anti-surface warfare, intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance operations. This fleet has been pivotal in monitoring the strategic waters of the Indian Ocean region, especially given the increasing Chinese naval presence in the region. Next, guided Pinaka's terrain avoidance in high-altitude warfare. A recent viral video shared by Manish Prasad has captured the attention of defense enthusiasts and strategists alike. The footage demonstrates the Indian Defense Research and Development Organization's guided Pinaka rocket systems executing a remarkable mid-air course correction, illustrating its advanced terrain avoidance capability during a high-altitude trial. This feature not only enhances the system effectiveness in mountainous terrain but also provides significant strategic advantages in modern warfare. Next, why India should only procure the F-35A. India's potential procurement of the Lockheed Martin's F-35A Lightning II has been a subject of considerable debate among defense analysts. Recently, defense analyst Ranesh Ranjan told AFI that India should only consider acquiring the F-35A if it receives full access to the fighter's mission computer source code and ESA radar system, similar to what Israel has negotiated for its F-35 Adir variant. This access would allow India to integrate indigenous weaponry and communication systems, ensuring interoperability with Indian and Russian-made fighter jets like the Su-30 MKI. The F-35A, while one of the most advanced stealth fighters in the world, comes with strict operational restrictions imposed by the US. These restrictions prevent foreign operators from fully customizing the aircraft system to their own operational needs. Next, Jinnah frigates to share design similarities with Turkish vessels. Harnessing the expertise and knowledge accrued from the construction of the Miljam class ship, the Pakistan Navy is now setting its sight on a new horizon with the development of the Jinnah class frigate. This initiative marks a significant milestone as it will be the first instance of Pakistan's designing and building a frigate-sized warship entirely on its own soil. This Miljam MILGEM project, a collaborative effort with the Turkey, has been instrumental in providing Pakistan with hands-on experience in shipbuilding from design to commissioning. Next, enhanced MRSAM deployments. In a strategic move to fortify its defense among the eastern border with China, India has significantly ramped up the development of medium-range surface-to-air missile, that is MRSAM system, in collaboration with Israel. This escalation in defense capabilities comes at a time when tension remains high among the line of actual control, particularly in the sensitive regions of Ladakh, Sikkim, and Arunachal Pradesh. Ladakh, having been a focal point of recent border skirmishes, is already under the protective umbrella of both the MRSAM and the indigenously developed Akash missile system. The MRSAM, known as Abhra in India, has been instrumental in providing air defense against a variety of aerial threats, including fighter jet, drone, and cruise missiles. Next. Planning of space exploration with Raven. Founded in 2022 by Hitendra Singh and Kajal Rajbhar, T-Hub incubated aerospace startup Span Trink was born from a vision to transform humanity's approach to space exploration. Traditional rockets are magnificent feats of engineering but incredibly wasteful. After a mission, most of the rocket is lost, falling into the ocean. That's why we are building Raven, a fully reusable rocket designed to change the game, explains co-founder Kajal Rajbhar. Set to launch in 2028, Raven is Span Trink flagship project designed to support a variety of missions, from deploying mega constellations of satellite and carrying payloads to the moon to aiding humanity's step towards Mars. Next. Introduction of revolutionary quick release systems for UAVs. Mumbai innovative startup scene has just gotten a boost with Air Recon unveiling its game-changing quick release systems designed for UAVs and ground control systems. This breakthrough technology, tailored to integrate with standard issue plate carriers, promising to enhance rapid deployment and maneuverability for tactical operations. Air Recon's quick release system represents a significant leap in the integration of drone technology with personal equipment. Next. Indigenously developed SMRs will be operationalized by 2033. Union Minister of Finance and Corporate Affairs, Shrimati Nirmala Sitharaman, while presenting the budget 2025-26 in the parliament today, said that a nuclear energy mission for research and development of small modular reactors, that is SMR, with an outlay of 20,000 crores will be set up. At least 5 indigenously developed SMRs will be operationalized by 2033, she informed. Thank you.